trivial, but especially if we're working with, if we think back to that the quotes early on in my presentation, rooting us in that social and political conditions with which we communicate with our partners, those are realities. The politics around where you can hold a meeting can definitely change the outcome. I have met in communities, I have met at universities, and I have met at neutral open spaces. And I can say that the conversations and the outcomes of those meetings can be extremely different depending on where we meet. And that seems very basic, but in my experience can make the difference between being able to have these open discussions, which are going to provide us a space to develop the ability to talk about this data collection issue. The next case example is one of my own. A research team was working with a long-time community research partner. The research topic was around family violence, and a delicate issue for the community to deal with, as you can imagine. Community researchers wanted to use a systematic research process to quantify the issues around family violence. They brought that issue to the table, and they wanted to use a survey to go about quantifying it. But data collection around that issue could be really difficult because it was a very, very sensitive nature, a very, very sensitive topic within the community. So the way that we went about dealing with this was having a lot of conversations about how that data should and would be collected. And some of the strategies that we ended up developing around this